Costco just made a game-changing move, raising wages to over $30 an hour for most U.S. store workers. But is this a brilliant strategy to stay ahead, or could it backfire on the company, its stock, and even consumers? Today we break down why Costco raised wages, how this impacts workers, consumers, and investors, and whether this will force Walmart, Amazon, and other major retailers to follow Costco's lead. Stay until the end, because this move could change the entire retail industry. Why did Costco raise wages? Costco has always been one of the highest-paying retailers in the U.S. Unlike many competitors, they focus on employee retention, high morale, and service quality, which directly impacts customer experience. Key wage increases over the years. 2019, starting wage raised to $15 an hour. 2021, increased to $17 an hour. 2024, now over $30 an hour for most store workers. So, why did Costco make this move now? Here's the truth. The pay raise is aimed at retaining talent amid rising inflation, labor shortages, and potential union strikes. Unlike many companies struggling with turnover, Costco has one of the lowest turnover rates in the retail industry, at just 10% compared to Walmart's 44%. That's a huge advantage. Their philosophy? Happy employees equals better service equals higher long-term profits. But will this decision force competitors to do the same? Will other companies follow? Costco is far ahead when it comes to retail wages. Here's how Costco compares to other major retailers. Walmart, $18 an hour, Amazon, $18 an hour, Target $15 to $24 an hour depending on location, Costco now over $30 an hour. With Costco leading the way, will other companies be forced to increase their wages? Amazon and Walmart have already raised wages over the years, but no retailer has gone as high as $30 an hour across most store positions. If Walmart and Amazon don't raise wages, they risk losing skilled workers to Costco. And with labor shortages still an issue, this could be a big problem. But here's the question that really matters. Whenever a company raises wages, consumers immediately wonder, will this make everything more expensive? The answer? Not necessarily. Here's why. Unlike Walmart, Amazon, and Target, Costco doesn't rely solely on product sales for profit. Most of its profits come from membership fees. Only 8% of Costco's workforce is unionized, meaning these wage increases don't apply to all employees. So while labor costs will rise, Costco has a business model designed to absorb these expenses without massive price hikes. But how will this affect Costco's stock price? Right now, Costco's stock, dollar cost, is trading near all-time highs. So will this wage increase hurt investors? Let's look at history. Every time Costco has raised wages, 2018, wage increase, stock went up. 2021, wage increase, stock went up. 2024, will history repeat itself? Some analysts predict that Costco's stock could dip in the short term as investors react to higher labor costs. But long-term, Costco has consistently outperformed expectations by investing in its workers. If history tells us anything, Costco's long-term growth strategy is working. But this move isn't just about Costco, it could change the entire retail job market. Costco's wage increase could set a new standard for wages in retail. The ripple effects. If other retailers raise wages, consumer spending could increase. Higher wages could also put pressure on inflation. More companies may have to compete for workers by offering better pay and benefits. Some economists argue that higher wages across the industry could boost economic stability, while others warn that companies may pass on costs to consumers through higher prices. So what's the final verdict? Will this be good or bad for the economy? Let's recap. Costco is now paying over $30 per hour, unmatched in retail. Consumers might see some price increases, but Costco's business model absorbs most of the cost. Other major retailers may have to follow suit to stay competitive. Costco's stock could see short-term volatility but remains a strong long-term investment. This decision could set off a wage shift across the retail sector. Now the big question, will this force companies like Walmart and Amazon to raise wages too? Or will Costco's move remain an outlier in the retail industry? Drop a comment below and let's discuss.